Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first machine learning project called House Price Prediction. In this project, I am using Python and Pydroid on Android. The goal of this project is to predict house prices using machine learning. Everything is built using Python and it runs completely on Android using Pydroid. The tools used in this project are Python, Pydroid for Android, and the Scikit-learn machine learning library. First, we load the housing dataset. Then we train the machine learning model. Finally, we predict the house price. Now let's do this practically on Android. First, open the Pydroid app. On the top right corner, click on the file icon. From here, we will create our project folder. Now tap on Save As. Select Internal Storage. At the top of the screen, you will see an option called New Folder. Click on it and create a new folder named house_price_project. Inside this folder, create the train.py file. Tap on Save. Now in this file, write the source code to train the machine learning model. After writing the code, save the file. Tap on the Run icon. Now the training process has started. First, it is loading the dataset. Next, the data is split into training and testing data. After that, the machine learning model is trained. Now the model is being evaluated. Here we can see the RMSE value, which is 0.74. RMSE means root mean square error. A lower RMSE value means better prediction accuracy. Finally, the trained model is saved successfully. So our model training is completed. Now go back and again click on the file icon. Tap on New File, then Save As. Choose Internal Storage, open the house_price_project folder, and create the predict.py file. Tap on Save. Now write the source code to predict the house price using the saved model. After writing the code, save the file. Now tap on the Run icon. Here we can see the predicted house price. The value is 2.35. This value is in $100,000. That means the predicted house price is approximately $235,000. So our house price prediction is working successfully. So this is how we create and run a house price prediction project on Android using Python and Pydroid. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly machine learning projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.